So here's what I mean about the I got the drawings on the recording. This lopsided or imbalance, someone in the room used the word lopsided, which is a good word on the 2 minute. You could see it fire price up, and then watch what happens. Let's scroll up here. So it's a little, it's imbalanced, or it's a little lopsided. However, we've kind of rallied already. So you want to be able to use, it continues the rally, but you want to be able to use any indicator or anything that you're using as a precursor. If it's not a precursor, then it's just behind them. That's where most people get sucked in to the indicators out there. It's like they're all after the fact. It's not important if it predicts something that's already happened. The metaphor I use is, tell me it's raining after you're wet. And that's what most of the stuff that people put on their charts have. Whereas that's not this. This is a lot different. This is a precursor to what could happen. Now, when I fast forward, you could see longs pop in. Just look over here. You could see longs pop in, and it kind of take the longs take over, and we do in fact break. But the longs took over, and then we broke. Longs take over, and then we break. That's what I mean about a predicate or some predictive value. Now, a lot of people, nobody sees this except if you're in our group, number one. Number two, it's against conventional wisdom, which is the stuff that works in trading. And a lot of people would say, well, there's longs, you want to get long. Hell no. Longs generally mean at some point, longs are become too many longs. And that's the dynamic that moves price. Too many longs create the crowded trade, right? And this is what the crowded trade looks like when you're able to tag open positions. And you could see this is just a 2 minute. This stays on the charts for about 15 hours. This stays on the charts for 60 minutes. And that's what these three verticals show. This vertical shows where people exit trades or after buy and sell stops come out. But my point is, we just added to get a little kind of insight more into the weeds as what's going on in the last 2 minutes. And that's what we're looking for, an imbalance or lopsided vertical to predict, in this case, downside before there's downside.